A very good morning to all. Today we are starting English Grammar Chapter 1, the sentence. So my dear children, do you know what is sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Complete sense means which gives complete meaning of a sentence. There are no rules about the number of words in a sentence. My dear children, listen very carefully. There are no rules about the number of words in a sentence. The only basic feature of a sentence is it must make complete sense. Next, so what is sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. And we should also remember three things about a sentence. What three things are? The words in a sentence are placed in their proper order to make complete sense. Second point, a sentence always begins with a capital letter. Third point, a sentence should always have full stop, question mark, or a mark of exclamation at the end. Now let's look at the example. First example is played evening last week a match hockey. Second, did match team the win your. Third, need IT of cup A. My dear children, these group of words do not convey complete meaning or complete sense. Hence, they are not sentence. These groups do not make any sense. Let us rewrite them as we played a hockey match last evening. Did your team win the match? I need a cup of tea. All three are sentences because the beginning is done with capital letter. As you can see, we played a hockey match last evening, then full stop, and ending is done with the full stop and question mark in second sentence. Did your team win the match? First word starting with capital letter, ending with full question mark. Sorry, I need a cup of tea. I starting with capital letter and ending with full stop or any other exclamation mark. Okay. Now let's come on. We must not forget four things about a sentence. क्या नहीं भूलना चाहिए चार चीजें sentence के बारे में. First is a sentence makes complete sense. Second is it begins with a capital letter. Third is the words in a sentence must be in their proper order. Fourth is a sentence ends with a full stop, a mark of interrogation or a mark of exclamation, as I told you in previous slide. One more important thing is a sentence always has a verb in it. In fact, the verb means action word or doing word, okay, is the heart of a sentence. Let's come on the kinds of sentences. There are four kinds of sentences. First is assertive, second interrogative, third imperative, fourth exclamatory sentences. Now let's come on assertive sentences. An assertive sentence says or states something. Assertive sentence क्या करता है? कुछ information provide करता है ना? It states something. It gives us information. That's why these kind of sentences are known as assertive sentences. Dear children, assertive sentences always end with a full stop. It always ends with full stop. Okay. I study every day. The tiger looked at the rabbit. Let's come on interrogative sentences. An interrogative sentence asks a question. Interrogative sentence क्या करता है? Question पूछता है. Sentences that ask something are called interrogative sentence. For example, do you like stories? What kind of stories do you like? So the interrogative sentence, my dear children, remember one thing. The interrogative sentence always ends with question mark. Always ends with question mark. Next is imperative sentences. An imperative sentence expresses a command or order, an instruction, a request or an advice. Yes, sentences जो हमें ऑर्डर देते हों, रिक्वेस्ट करते हों या इंस्ट्रक्शन देते हों, ऐसे सेंटेंसेस को imperative sentences कहते हैं. For example, keep off the grass. It's a command. Pass me the sugar, please. It's a request. Do your homework regularly. It's an advice. One more important thing about imperative sentence. In an imperative sentence, the subject is always you. It is not stated in these sentences, keep off the grass, but here you is imperative. Pass me the sugar, please. Here also the subject is you only. So in an imperative sentence, the subject is always you. It is not stated, it is implied. Next is exclamatory sentences. An exclamatory sentence expresses some strong feeling. My dear children, always remember, exclamatory sentences always end with exclamation mark. As you can see in this picture, in this slide, exclamation sentence always end with exclamation mark. Okay, and here the strong feeling. An exclamatory sentence express some strong feeling. Strong feeling means like good feeling, bad feeling, happy or sad feeling. Example, how beautiful the butterfly is. What a lovely dress it is. Thank you all.